जब मेरा नसीब आया I was like I don't know if I'm हाँ Fiza was a small one. मेरा नसीब was Saira and I were the driving forces of that one. Again when Momina used to approach me I'm like I'm not a Pakistani drama actor. मैं तो बहुत ही बर्गर हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता ये करना.
क्या पता था कि आप इतने हिट्स देंगी?
क्या पता था?
है ना, माशाल्लाह.
It's fear also, but because I have a command over the language in terms of talaffuz and diction, vocabulary is not good, but I'm working on it. And because I can memorize scripts because of my theatre background. So I was memorizing scripts, therefore I was getting to practice beforehand. And because I was so embarrassed के इतने बड़े actors के सामने और you know TV world is very different from theatre, so I cannot be sitting there wasting anyone's time. I must come prepared. तो वो आदत carried through, and I think because of that, and I was never embarrassed of anyone correcting my Urdu. कोई you know मजाक भी उड़ाते थे, तंग भी करते थे, ठीक भी करते थे, but that's how I learned. My मुज़क्कर मोनस is they're like कहाँ आ गई पठान का बच्चा आ गया अभी.
But that's very good of you.
So that's how you learn.
Because लोग conscious होते हैं कि English सही नहीं बोले या ये उर्दू में भी ये चीज़ सही नहीं बोली. दोनों तरफ से ही मसला होता है. English सही नहीं बोलो तब भी मसला है, उर्दू सही नहीं बोलो तब भी आप पकड़े जाते हैं.
हाँ, conscious नहीं होना चाहिए. But I'm इसलिए conscious होते because people are unforgiving and people need to be kinder.
Yeah. Did you have any experience like that when people were not forgiving with you?
You know, if they weren't forgiving, I didn't notice it.
Okay.
You've got to be like that also. I didn't notice it. I didn't even know what the word koji. What's that? Is that a bad word? What does that mean?
I don't know actually.
You don't know either.
Yeah, but I've heard it, but I don't know.
I don't know what it means, so it didn't make a difference to me.
So you heard that?
I read that sometimes or.
किस वक्त हुआ था ये?
I guess when I was an active Pakistani drama actress. You know, you.
तो आपको koji बोलते थे?
Koji I've read for other actors too, and I was like, I don't know what it means, so it doesn't affect me.
Yeah.
Comments on complexion, skin color, I'm like, am I famous or are you? Like, clearly I'm doing something right and you hiding behind your keyboard are just sitting there bored. So it makes no difference to me. But it all, सारा credit उसका इस confidence का मेरे माँ बाप को जाता है.
Okay.
Right? आपके माँ बाप आपको पर देते हैं उड़ने के लिए. बहुत से माँ बाप होते हैं जो काटते रहते हैं बच्चों के पर और फिर वो insecure, uncomfortable, shy, awkward बच्चे बन जाते हैं, grown-ups बन जाते हैं, underconfident grown-ups बन जाते हैं. So, if I was made to feel sufficient, whole, beautiful, competent, perfect the way I was at home, then I will feel that way anywhere.
क्या आपको लगता है एक दो चीज़ें जो आप रिकॉल करती हैं कि हाँ, my parents or my mother, my father did ये दो तीन चीज़ें की, ऐसे मुझे encourage किया, जिसकी वजह से जैसे आप कहिए ना कि मेरे I was able to fly instead कि मेरे पर नहीं काटे, you know.
Rules थे कि you know किसी का दिल नहीं दुखाना और अपनी औकात में रहना in terms of like don't think you're better than anyone ever. अगर कोई मुश्किल में है उनकी मदद करो. किसी को अपनी lines नहीं आ रही, कोई डरा हुआ है, किसी के पास गाड़ी नहीं है, always offer help. Always offer help.
That's nice.
I think that karma works. You're nice to people, people are nice to you. मुझे कभी कमतर नहीं फील होने दिया किसी भी एरिया में. मुझे हमेशा इनकरेज किया, मेरे काम को हमेशा इनकरेज किया, मुझे हमेशा सपोर्ट करते थे बिकॉज दे enjoyed what I was doing at home, in school. So that encouragement that you can do this, you're good at this, you can do this, that confidence.
They kept saying it to you.
They kept saying, I mean, when I would do things at school or at home, they were like, you know, that was really good or well done. When I wanted to pursue it, I wasn't stopped. It wasn't belittled. It was like, okay, but make sure you have a degree in something else just in case. But they saw how serious I was. वो करने दिया. I've also been working since I was 16.
Okay.
You know, when the VJing world was, I was 17 then or something. फिर as long as grades आ रहे थे, school जा रही थी, ये सब कर रही थी, तो I was fulfilling my responsibilities as a child to the parents. They were fulfilling their responsibility as a parent to support my dreams. Value system, values अच्छे दिए थे about helping people. मेहनत करो. Never think that you're good, you're better than anyone. I think that's the biggest lesson, is never think that you are better than anyone. Always give it your 100%. And if you fail, do not worry. Get back at it again. Work harder. basic things, and I
But
think
you know, Sanam, it's sometimes ये लगता है basic है, लेकिन बच्चों को जो हम as adults भी हमें अपने आप को remind कराना पड़ता है failure is okay. Sometimes it's okay not to accomplish 100%, you know, and but आप give up नहीं करेंगे, you know, तो वो reminders हैं, and as you're growing up, as you're saying,
maybe
तो वो-
because my parents weren't bankers, lawyers, from the finance world or any of those white collar
competitive नहीं
jobs
थे
like
थे।
that. Maybe they didn't instill that in us. Like my mother was an art teacher in school.
Okay. So
You know,
you
she
had
was
that
a yoga
sensitive
teacher and
side,
art
yeah.
teacher. My father was an interior designer and consultant. So they were still in the creative. My father and my chacha are the greatest mimics. मैं जो accents करती हूँ, जिस 7 साल पुरानी वीडियो जब अब वायरल होती है,
I
वो
know.
अब्बा और चचा की वजह से हैं.
Okay.
Because they would speak in those accents.
And you would pick up.
And I would pick up and I would do it, and then because I lived in England, my pop was in Paris, I got that European experience also, and it's from my parents that I got that. So अगर वो किसी और फील्ड में होते तो I'm sure वो ज़रा सख्त होते मेरे साथ कि हम ये हैं और ये क्या काम है.
Yeah.
लेकिन वो खुद ही आर्टिस्ट लोग थे, तो I think that helps.
अभी हम सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस उसकी बात करें तो मैं वहीं से कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. आजकल बॉडी शेमिंग या आपकी अपीयरेंस, आपका एक्सेंट, ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं, जब हम नए आर्टिस्ट से बात करते हैं तो कास्टिंग के प्रोसेस में बड़ी वो हो गई हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई हैं. अक्सर उनको स्टेटमेंट सुनने को मिलती हैं जो दिल दुखा देती हैं बेस्ड ऑन दीज फ्यू थिंग्स, यू नो. अब ये कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई है कि ये हो रहा है, नहीं होना चाहिए, लोग अपने किस्से भी शेयर करते हैं. जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था तब भी ये ऐसा था? आपको किसी वजह से कुछ ऐसा फेस करना पड़ा?
मुझे सोचना पड़ रहा है, तो नहीं, आई गेस नॉट. मुझे नहीं, मैंने इतने अच्छे ड्रामे किए, so obviously they didn't have a
Yeah.
problem with the way I
Yeah.
spoke or looked or carried myself. नहीं, मैंने फेस नहीं किया.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक माशाल्लाह से आपकी हाइट इतनी है, कभी होता था यार कि मॉडल कहाँ से हीरो लेंगे, क्या होगा, इस तरह की चीज़ें?
उनको नहीं होता था, मुझे होता था कि मैं हीरोइन फील नहीं हो रही, क्योंकि मैं अपने हीरोज़ की हाइट की हूँ. मुझसे लंबा हीरो शायद हुमायूं है और मोहिब
ओके.
और जिब्रान, बाकी मेरे हाइट के हैं.
So, आपको
एक
conscious
इंच
feel-
लंबे होंगे मुझसे, बट दैट you can't really
But that's
see
so
that.
good कि अगर कभी ये चीज़ कंसिडर नहीं की जाती थी फ्रॉम द कास्टिंग साइड या ड्रामा में, एंड दे वर मोर फोकस्ड ऑन that's something I
I
feel
think
really
they didn't
good.
have a choice then. I think
Okay.
actors, they were, I think they didn't have a choice. कम लोग एक्टिंग कर रहे थे, इतना ज़्यादा rampant नहीं था. Social media wasn't there, so people's judgment or comments or opinion, I'm guessing that their opinion wasn't there to confuse the producers. Producers की अपनी एक decision थी, choice थी.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm assuming कि viewers को खुश रखने के लिए या ratings के लिए, I don't know.
Yeah.
लेकिन the film world or the TV world is a narcissistic, looks matter. How you carry yourself, how you walk, talk, that's the business.
Yeah.
So you have to groom yourself.
So grooming is fine, लेकिन उसकी